As things stand at this hour, it would appear those voters have chosen Yemi Mobọlade, who won tonight's race by a large margin. The unofficial results here, 57% to 43%.
The victory so decisive that Wayne Williams conceded the race at about 7:35 tonight, just minutes after the first batch of results were released by the city clerk's office. And that makes Yemi Mobọlade mayor-elect in Colorado Springs tonight. Now, the man who has never held political office is just weeks away from being sworn in as the city's 42nd mayor. KRDO News Channel 13's Sean Rice is live inside COS City Hub, where hundreds of supporters gathered to celebrate what they're calling a shakeup of the old status quo. Sean.
Yeah, Bart and Heather, it was a momentous evening for Yemi Mobọlade and his campaign. This man right here next to me is now the first black man to ever be elected by the people as mayor of Colorado Springs. He says he promises to be a mayor for everyone and be one that's ready to get to work. It only took one ballot drop for Yemi Mobọlade's campaign to erupt with joy.
We have a brand new 42nd mayor!
The longest job interview that you have to earn the trust of the voters. You have to tell them why you're running and why you will make a great mayor. And that we put in the work.
Mobọlade says he's ran a grassroots campaign, one focused on interacting with as many voters as possible, which included knocking on over 40,000 doors to share his views and style of leadership across the city.
My intent is to serve you. My intent is to listen to your pain points, your needs, and that is welcome at the mayor's table as well.
His victory, welcomed by the applause of hundreds of Colorado Springs voters. Mobọlade is a business owner and used to work for the city as a small business development administrator. He describes himself as a political independent who is fiscally conservative, who wants to break up the good old boys network.
To one in this room who is in utter disbelief that Republicans and Democrats and independents can work together, can find common ground, maybe even like each other. Tonight is for you.
His final message was to the people who didn't cast a ballot for him.
If you didn't vote or you didn't vote for me, I will be a mayor for you too.